Hi, this is Jake at Optery. Here are the step-by-step instructions for removing your information from PeopleFinders. By the way, this is brought to you by Optery, the best company for removing your personal information from the internet. Go to the PeopleFinders homepage and search for your first name, last name, city, and state, then click Search Now to opt out. Find your record in the results and click View Details on the right. Click I understand to build my report to go to the page with your profile URL. The next page will show what's included in the report. Your profile URL will be in the address bar, highlighted in red. Copy it. Go back to the PeopleFinders homepage, scroll down, and click Do Not Sell My Personal Information at the bottom. On the Manage Your Public Records page, click the Next button under the Opt-out Remove My Public Records from PeopleFinders option. A Manage Your Public Records form will open. Paste your profile URL from Step 4 into the first field, then enter your email address in the second field, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Send Request. You'll see a notice to check your email inbox for a message from PeopleFinders. Open the email from PeopleFinders and click the link to delete your profile. A new Manage Your Public Records page will open. Fill out the security CAPTCHA and click Send Request to opt out. You'll see a confirmation of your opt-out request and your profile will be removed. Congratulations on opting out of PeopleFinders. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to Optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.